Can't decide which 10.3-inch BOOX tablet to be your new daily driver? Stick around to find the one that fits your reading, note-taking, and nomadic lifestyle. First, let's talk about the monochrome Go 10.3 Gen 2 series. As our thinnest lineup, it now has two options, Go 10.3 Gen 2 and Go 10.3 Gen 2 Lumi. Both are designed for digital nomads, creators, and thinkers who value work-life integration. Go 10.3 Gen 2 has no front light, and the display stays sharp and crisp even under harsh sunlight. Great for parks, cafes, balconies, and any bright environment. It provides you with an ink-on-paper feel for comfortable reading and writing. As for Go 10.3 Gen 2 Lumi, it now adds an adjustable dual-tone front light. You can shift seamlessly from cool daylight to soft amber glow. Enjoy comfortable reading and note-taking in a co-working space during a late-night flight or in bed before you sleep. It's gentle on your eyes, wherever you are. The Go 10.3 Gen 2 series maintains a sleek, nature-inspired aesthetic. With under 365 grams, you can carry it effortlessly. Despite its slim profile, it packs a battery lasting for weeks with wireless connectivity off per charge. This thin and lightweight notebook offers a simple, go-anywhere work setup for a location-independent lifestyle. They run on Android 15 with Google Play Store pre-installed. You can download third-party apps to handle your entire nomadic toolkit. With 64 gigabytes of storage and support for 26 digital formats, it's a library that travels with you. You can also customize settings such as layouts and fonts in our Neo Reader. With the included InkSense Plus stylus, you can write smoothly and fast. It supports 4096 pressure levels and tilt sensitivity, so you can sketch or annotate precisely. With moderate use, it lasts 1 to 2 weeks on a single charge, perfect for short getaways or business trips. And don't worry if it's out of juice. A quick 20-minute coffee break would fully charge it. Inside the Notes app, various writing tools let you create ideas freely. Lasso, Insert, and Smart Scribe help you take notes with maximum efficiency. With outlines and tags, your notes stay organized. And you can search by keywords to find content quickly. From travel sketches to fieldwork notes, all your paperwork stays in one place. If color is what you need, then Note Air5 C is worth a close look. It features an ePaper display with print-like colors. You can use it to read charts or reports, or take color-coded notes. For users who frequently browse the web or use animation-heavy apps, the Note Air5 C offers an exclusive smooth refresh mode, delivering fluid scrolling and seamless tab switching. You can also pair it with our keyboard cover for typing needs. These three 10.3-inch ePaper devices are designed for different needs. Hope this video helps you find the right fit.